Viewing grading feedback in Canvas. Grading rubrics can clarify assignment expectations and help learners assess their work before submitting. Let's see how that works in Canvas. Assignment rubrics display on the assignment page below the instructions. For discussions, it's a little different. On the discussion page, access the app menu in the upper right portion of the screen and choose the option to Show Rubric. The rubric will display in a pop-up window with the criteria, proficiency levels, and point values for each. This particular rubric is also associated with a program learning competency. To view grading feedback on assignments and discussions, go to the Grades link in your Canvas course. You can view grades for any assignment posted. If your instructor has provided feedback, a comment icon will appear. Click the icon to view comments from your instructor. If your instructor uses the rubric for grading, a rubric icon will appear. Click the icon to view the rubric, your score and proficiency level for each criterion, along with any comments the instructor has provided in the grading rubric. If the rubric is associated with a program learning competency, you can view your mastery level in the rubric. Instructor feedback encourages reflective thinking, which leads to deeper learning. By understanding the feedback, you can develop critical thinking skills, refine your approach, and build on the knowledge you've gained.